What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to DJ and Daily, where you find some of the hottest and the newest meme coins in the crypto space. Hope y'all are doing great. Hope y'all are doing amazing. And the bear market isn't too bad for y'all because it has been a pain for me. Before we get into the video, I just gotta let y'all know I am not a financial advisor, guys. So make sure you do your own research. Never invest more than you're willing to lose in these projects in crypto. It could be the top 10, top 20 projects. We saw what happened with Luna. It was a top 10, top 20 project, and that went to zero. You know what I'm saying? It's making a comeback now as like a meme coin, but you know, crypto is very risky. So always do your own research. Never invest more than you're willing to lose, and know everything you see on this channel is all entertainment purposes, guys. Like I said, hope you guys are doing great. Like I said earlier, as you guys can see, I have Dex tools pulled up, and we're gonna go through the top 10 trending peers. Let me know what projects you guys want me to make a video on next. But hot number one, we got Tama. 2, Dequine is still up there. Okonami, gotta make a video on that. Bone, Sec, that looks new. HRD, heard of that. Hex, Ka, WCI, and MON. A lot of new ones that I haven't seen before. But the one that we're going to be checking out in this video is called Proof of Memes, Ethereum. We mostly check out ERC-20 meme tokens or just projects in general. ERC-20, DGen plays. Proof of Memes is making a huge wave on the in the crypto space. Crypto Twitter is loving it. It had this crazy, as you guys can see from this chart, this looks like it's in its own bull run, fam. You know what I'm saying? If you got in this project the 13th, 14th, 16th of September, how much are you up by? 57x. Life-changing type of gains, bro. That is what you call life-changing gains right there. Let me check again. 60, 70x. Life-changing gains right there, fam. $100 becomes what with $100 times 7? Let me pull up the calculator real quick because, you know, my math, I don't want my math to be bad. 100 times 70, 7 racks. And if you had $1,000 in, that's 70 racks. $70,000, $7,000. That is insane. And as you can see, look at it right here. Look at it right here, guys. It's already looking like it's ready to break out again to the upside. I think all-time high was 17 million market cap, which is crazy in a bear market, by the way. Think about it. DGen plays are super high risk, but they're super high reward as well. We got liquidity, 473k in liquidity, locked for a year. That's great. 212k in 24-hour trading volume, daily trading volume. Holders, 1.43k holders, 1.4k holders. That's good. That's great. And the market cap is $14.49 million in market cap. Like I said, the all-time high was 17 million. I wouldn't be shocked like this project goes to 100 million in market cap. I wouldn't be shocked, guys. Like how much more X's would that be? 100 million. Let me do that again. 100 million just to be sure, divided by, let's round it off to like 15 million. 15 million. So you could get a 6.6x from here, which is not bad in gains. You know what I'm saying? You got $100 invested, you turn that into $660, or 1,000 turns into $6,600. That is not bad gains, you know what I'm saying? But when it comes to DGen plays, I always toss money that I'm willing to lose. $100, $150. I won't cry over that if I lose it, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, project looking good so far, especially that chart. That's why I had to make a video on it. The Twitter, this is how I know about it, because crypto Twitter is always talking about it. So smell test 70 out of 100, 4%. Okay, because it has a 6% sell fee, not bad. All holders, everything looking like it's checked out. Token is sellable. Contract renounced, no special permission. Verified contract source. Creator wallet owns less than 5% of the supply. All holders. Oh, say okay. So they got somebody that got more than 5% of the supply. Big whale, top whale probably. Probably check the ether scan in a second. And 76% locked on trust swap for about a year, or more than a year and some days. And 20% is burnt. Okay, that is great. So you can see Not ruggable project, guys, you know what I'm saying? The only way this project starts falling off a cliff is if, you know, the diamond hand holders or the whales in the project or the jeets start selling off on you. So yeah, okay, 3.6% big top whales up here. 3% of the supply. They're gonna be chilling once this goes to 100 mil market cap, but you could still make gains in this project. So don't ever think, oh no, it's too late for a project. Don't ever think, oh yeah, it's super late for a project, so I should go chasing another project, and then boom, you just lose your money. You know what I'm saying? Honestly, this would be a safer bet because it's already, you know, established, has decent liquidity and decent trade volume. I'm personally liking what I see. Let's check out the website. If you're enjoying the video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Really helps the channel out. ETH 2.0. I never checked the website. Proof of memes blockchain. Oh yeah, how could I forget this information? They're literally it's literally a meme coin layer 1 blockchain built from the ground up for meme coins. It's a layer 1 blockchain for meme coins. Yeah, I remember Doge chain. It's basically similar to Doge chain. So it does have utility. It has smart contracts. When a project has smart contracts, there is utility there. Everybody always asks when they hop in the telegrams of community meme coin projects, what's the utility? This is a layer 1 blockchain, smart contracts. You could launch your meme coin on the proof of memes blockchain. The new blockchain exclusively for meme coins. POM chain is a proof of work Ethereum fork prior to EIP 1559. EIP 1559 I think is the function that was before the ETH merge, ETH 2.0. Powerful ecosystem of tools and utilities for meme coin and devs and communities. They have an NFT launching. Holders will receive a 30% discount on all Launchpad token sales. Okay, so you get a discount on all the projects that launch on the proof of meme blockchain. Opportunity to join an advisory panel in the proof of memes ecosystem. Okay, all 10 holders will be given a free travel and stay at all proof of meme events. So they plan to do events as well too. Okay, rug pull target. Bulletproof security by design. Rug pull target. What is this? The POM chain project verification protocol will define a gold standard for new project launches on chain. Okay, so I'm guessing they're gonna check if this project is legit or not, and if they should get its support. 256. What is KeySac 256 encryption? Never heard of that. The POM blockchain uses the same high-level encryption as the Ethereum network, as an ETH4. Okay, got you. 100% POM chain uptime. Our distributed network of servers and mining devices will ensure 24/7 network availability. So you know how Solana, sometimes Solana be down, you can't do any swaps, you can't do any NFT trading, none of that, because all of a sudden Solana's down, breaking every now and again. So with POM network, proof of meme chain, you ain't gotta worry about any downtime. Safe plus trading tools. Built-in trading safety tools include unusual wallet distribution alerts, deployer wallet sell warnings, and much more. Whoa! Oh, that's interesting. Safe plus traded. That is actually great use case right there for all the degens. That is some great use case for the degens out there, because if you think about it, soon as you get that notification, oh yo, guys, the wallet distribution here is kind of iffy, kind of fishy. The deployer wallet is selling. The developer is selling. What's going on? Here's an alert to let you know. You could get out of that project super fast. This is a great use case. That is legit. I like that a lot. You could, okay, so they have a video of their testnet. Deploy and run transactions. Deploy. This is a use case for a meme coin. Everybody always hops in the Telegram. What's the project's utility? Here you go. Layer 1 blockchain specifically for meme coins, and they'll do their best to protect you. Okay, I'm not gonna watch the whole video, but okay, let me see where the swapping takes place. You import, make sure to check the safety, and then you could swap it for proof of meme. The proof of meme token. Ladies and gentlemen, load your bags. So yeah, like I said, there's utility, there is use case here. Let's see what we have for, let me see what's next. And it's breaking out while I'm making the video. Okay, go ahead, do your thing. Alright guys, next thing we're gonna check out is the Twitter. Check out their official Twitter and then what the social engagement is like from other users on the platform. Over the remainder of this weekend and into Monday, we will post a review of milestones and accomplishments along with a look at our upcoming roadmap, okay? Building something special. NFT update, okay? ETH 2.0 holders. Is ETH 2.0 the first token you have held that awards you an airdrop? Okay, them NFTs, I'm seeing them NFTs. Pretty cool. Like the design. Like a trophy. Let's see what other people got to say about it on Twitter as well. Proof of memes breaking out of this pennant. POM makes big moves. I wouldn't sleep on this. Go buy some ETH 2.0. And they do airdrops as well too, which is pretty sick, man. We all know what's going to happen. 54 likes, 23 retweets. That was yesterday. 32 likes, 17 retweets. Eric, the crypto man, checking out. Like, I have no doubts about this project being good and love to see bear market mooners. Price action is wild and fascinating. And anyone know what caused the giga pump of 4.x today? I'm intrigued. Man, it went 4.x. Where was this? What day was this? The 29th? That's crazy. So yeah, all in all, see a bunch of likes and retweets, social engagement for Twitter, off the chain for the project. That's another good thing that I like to see. And the last thing we're gonna check out is the Telegram of the project. See what people saying in the Telegram, see what the vibes is like. Whenever you're thinking about getting into a project, one thing you gotta really look out for is the community. See what the community is like. Is the community dead? Is the Telegram like empty? Nobody's saying anything? Or does it have positive vibes? It have people in it constantly talking, constantly rating, sharing, spreading the word on Twitter or other social media platforms. You know what I'm saying? They got 2,267 Telegram members, not bad. But look at that market cap. Telegram looking hype. We got people showing their charts, what they expect, how they expect the project to go. Buys coming in, memes. Yeah, we definitely has vibes in here, you know what I'm saying? Porn stars pump. Yeah, definitely has vibes in the Telegram group. I could give you that, that's for sure. That brings me to the end of the video, guys. Let me know what you guys think of Proof of Memes ETH 2.0 in the comments section. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share it all over, you know what I'm saying? I really like what I see with the project, you know what I mean? But like I said, with DGen Plays, you never know. It could have everything that makes it work, and the project could still not go the way you planned it to. But I do like what I see. I like a lot of what I see, and it does have utility here. Links to everything about Proof of Memes will be down in the description. Dextool's Twitter. And let me know what projects you guys want me to make a video on next. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.